work on that kind of pathway. You can't forget the distraction. You can't forget the detractors, them, the one where they come, the naysayers, them, the one who get for come up with negative things, just for distract you. But I'm very focused. And the other beneficial thing this way I did so. Now, at a show, I don't say all liquids must find their level. They don't tell them they compare me to artists the way they even able when they have back. We don't get the same size. We do two different things. We do at different level them. You know? So now any artist want compete. You said do music by English. Challenge the artist your own at the complex all day. See if you able to shake them. See if you can get the same attention as Claudinero. Pilots, if I'm in work, in the last time they do, nobody know for me to pay attention to me. But because they know that they do is solid and I then at the level I make them pay attention.
All right. Because like they say, a lot of people and they say, "But count our attention in one get." So I'm in Sabiam.
They don't tell people that they put these songs. Why they don't get their attention? Why me they pay attention to me? Because the most of what they do is solid. You know, they can call out within the ones attention, no attention, none of their own business. If they just one left from a Kenny show, Bo show, Kailaun, good for them. But me, I don't do a move for 10 years. Not to say I don't appreciate my fans in Amakeni or Kenema or Kono. I get love for my people. I'm always here for them. But this is a time for them we grow. And anywhere in a way, the counter board I can say, anywhere in a way.
So overtaking is allowed.
Mm-hmm.
So
exactly. Anywhere in a way, sir.
So now you're all ready for takeover.
We're not already the takeover, man. But not still no more now. The Syrians, the Africa not say, yes, this artist from Sierra Leone is solid. Meaning by shooting dope videos, by going there doing radio promo tours, by collaborating with the artists that we want to work with me, you know, network and build the gap, bridge the gap, Sierra Leone and Africa, you know, bringing the positive things that West Salone gets. Like now we first get the first university in West Africa, but people don't know that Ghanaians, Cameroonians, Nigerians, I mean, they can study there in the 60s and the 70s. Bring them in and to light. Expose the beauty of Salone, you know, the positive side of the country, so that we will continue to replan the country. You know what I mean? Not on the negative aspect, no more than the thing but we. You know, I did do them because I'm Sierra Leonean, I know they do them for nobody, and because I love the country, and I believe, say, you know, we get people that have potential, but we don't get the same opportunity they really get. So against all the odds, we push.
All right. So now it's Corona. How I don't determine now, like since we fight this Corona, and no matter what, it got for end. So waiting at the preparation of Claudinero since he decided for lift or elevate Salone music to international world.
Well, one thing first way my enemies and you always wish is way bad something like this kind of the world. Then they gladly say this year they stop Claudinero. But they forget that they stop we all. You know, it is stop we all. So if you're glad you say Corona come and make Claudinero do show, now you self no able do show. If you've been glad you say Ebola come, Claudinero and show 12 busy signal will come, but people then die. So then dark mind thing and they will get for stop them. Which is normally happen to you. Don't glad it will happen to the next man. You know, me not ever make Corona affect me. Now I put more power safe. Now I continue and focus on my career because I must say the people that me want where that Corona statement affects me show. I will just don't sit down in one corner, I did for wondering, I did cry, and then go studio again. Never been a soldier, been a warrior. You know, any kind of obstacle or setback when they put before me, it will be 10 times for go harder. All I want to talk to the fans and say to them is, let them be mindful, like how the people and say, wash your hand, social distancing, because Corona is real. You know what I mean? The only thing they help with that Salone are the environment, sun, because of the temperature, you know, but they kill people overseas. So, when I look be careful, I believe say the country is strong enough, you know, for overcome Ebola, we will overcome Corona, everything will be normalized again. Then we will take our house in tap. You know, we will put a new date house where the whole country will come, we show Africa, say, Salone hip hop, the full of stadium.
All right. So, because of time, waiting at the final message you want to say to your fans, them, and also the advices they get for people who listen you now towards this Corona.
Well, I just want to tell all my fans that Kabbalah, Maboka, Makini, where they listen, say, as soon as the curfew clear the album, the Kiss the Throne will be available on McKinney Day for them. 2 courtesy series, we will work the modality where the CDs and are available there. So if you want to get this classic album, you can contact Pilot Idris, you buy them from them, or you go set up a team in McKinney where the fans and go able to get the album, so that I don't feel left out. So now go able to get the music. And I just want to tell you, I say, una need for open up Twitter accounts then, Instagram accounts then, because I did the Ghana man and they, you know, also Facebook. Facebook na small boy business. When you want to make big boy, you want to post the artist, go to Twitter, go to Instagram, follow Caldinero. You know, I will share all my handle and links then on my Facebook. So the fans then will go to Twitter. Don't take it first on social media. Because that's what they do. When they put one song, they hype them. When you go listen to the song, that's trash. But when they make solid songs, then so it's very important for the artists big na the world on social media. You know, I get the numbers then at the speed. But most of the fans them not to need the way can to computer or phone or Twitter. So we need for begin sensitize the fans them. They don't know it's very important for go to YouTube. Go to my channel, subscribe to them, Caldinero 1. So any song I put on YouTube, you get them, you go be first for listener, you go like, you go share the link, so that the numbers then go begin go up. You know what I mean? It's very important. We them niggas, where they make them all they panic. Little niggas just pay homage. We them niggas that the street talk about. We them niggas that this rap producer try to work it out. We them niggas. Then at the chorus to the new song where they can drop. We them niggas featuring Kim B from Cameroon. When I watch out for him, a hip hop banger, it'll drop soon. You heard?
Thank you very much. We hope for talk to you again some other time inside the program.
Thank you, Pilot. God bless.
All right. Well, fam, will be the talk to Amara Dennis, aka Caldinero, where I believe he said don't listen. Still, we get we brother inside the studio, Mark Bolan, School of Music, where they do to still bring the song.
This is a call to all Sierra Leoneans.
Work on that kind of path.